Well, the Ford hasn't been running since May 21st, 2007. But I got to move the piece of shit Buick and the wagon first. So let's see. It's been a little while. Yeah. Well, now I'll have to get the tractor, pull this car out of the way. He's just got a broken axle. Then I'll pull the truck out with the tractor and we'll hook it onto another vehicle and we'll tow it. Because it'll only start when it's cold at the tow. I'm going to move the Buick. Pontiac to the rescue. Start this pig. We're ready. Okay, go! Take off slow to get the slack out of the chain. Yeah, a little bit more. Shut up. Shut it off. We are ready. This is diesel startup. See smoke. I think it's running. It is running. A little bit of smoke. It is running. That was easy. Diesel alive. The deed is done. She runs. That rat is so destroyed. Pardon me? It just snapped and the plastic just broke and it came off. But it's the same position as every other car. It's awful rusty. Not much of a floor. 402,000 kilometers. Give her a rev. Whew. She don't have power like she used to. She's missing now. Oh, this end looks good.